Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today in this we will see about TreeMap Java. So in the collection framework, so let's go for it. So basically what do you mean by TreeMap? TreeMap is basically a sorted map, you can say, and it sorted sorts the elements according to a key on the basis of keys. The key value there, it sorts the elements on the basis of key, and it's maintained the natural order of sorting, similar to trees that is in the previous video. It sorts the element according to the keys, and the keys must be of the same data type in which they are created. So if you have created string as a wrapper class, data as a provider the wrapper class for data type while creating the tree map, it should necessarily be a string. Otherwise, if you try to add some other key element, it will throw a class exception. So that's the condition here. While putting elements, they must be in the same data type in which their tree map was created initially. So I've taken a string tree map. So I'm using the map interface I instantiated in the tree map. I put the elements in 1463. In such Java, I put the elements. So after that, what I've done, I created a clone tree map. So basically, clone tree map, it will act as a clone to the existing map. What I've done, you made the use of putAll. So what putAll does, it copies all of the mappings from the initial map that was created, and it's basically inserts other one map into the other map. So initially, note this clone tree map is not having any kind of values. After putAll method is invoked, it will take all the elements in the tree map demo tree of the tree map demo instance. It will take all the elements of the tree, tree map demo in that was initially created. So in short, putAll will insert all the elements that are existing in the pre-existing map. After that, I have also added some additional element in it. So note here, after that, I have made the use of get or default. So if you want to get, if you want to check some element, if some by default value you need to create while checking the get uh, key value, key basically, then you can use some default value. Get all default method is basically used for it. So one is exactly present in, so it will give the value as default value that will print as default value. So instead of one, it will print as default value because value over there is one, but I have provided get all default, so it will print as default value here. And if it's some non-existing key is provided, it will definitely throw null pattern exception over there. After that, note I have taken contents key. So if in a particular tree map, if these are some of few elements, but if some more complex tree map is there, it includes several number of elements, and if specific key element it needs to be checked, that can be checked using so to specify the key in which you can use for searching. So I have specified the value as 6 for that can be used, and after that finally I have printed the clone map using key value pair, and I have specified the lambda as keys value, and it will print the key and corresponding value to get printed. So it will print the entire map in the sorted order. So 1 followed by 3 followed by 4 followed by 6 should print it in this order. So let's see what it prints. See, initially it is printed default value. So in the place of 1, as I mentioned, it will has printed the default value. It is printed correctly. After that, yeah. Also, I included the element as 100. So that is also printed. Followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 6. That is printed. So all the elements are printed. Note here values that are printed in as 1, 3, 4, 6. So in the natural order, they are sorted according to the keys as 1 followed by 100, followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 6. I mean to say, on the basis of values, it is sorted. So it's maintained the default natural order of sorting over here. So they are printed correctly. And also the is the value 6 present, it returns the value as true for that. So this will definitely return the value true because the 6 key do exist in the tree map, in the clone tree map that I've created. And note that I just mentioned that it will put all the elements in from the existing map, so it taken all the elements. Also printed the additional element that I've included in the clone tree map is printed correctly. So only 1 followed by 100 followed by 3, 4, 6. So that's the order it's printed. So this video was all about TreeMap demo. So I included some of the methods that can be utilized in it. So also there is some additional methods. So just for a demo purpose, I taken a few of them. So do keep liking, subscribing, hashtag any more to comment for Java basics and other Java related topics. Bye for now.